Hello YouTube and welcome to another 360 video by 360 Guys. Here we are in a drive-thru experience featuring more than 1 million LED lights animated and synchronized to your favorite holiday tunes. Nights of Lights is a drive-thru event of the holiday season for all ages. You can turn up the volume and roll down the windows because this 2.25 kilometer long dazzling light display is synchronized to 30 minutes of your favorite festive tunes. You can buy the tickets online if you want to have such experience during the holiday. There are over 1 million LED lights, drive-thru tunnels, animated displays, and much more. This experience isn't as amazing as we were told on the website. Surely the light show is nice, but disappointingly, it isn't worth the $31 that we are charged. It also takes almost an hour to get into where the attendant is standing. The same music is repeated time after time. Considering the amount of beautiful Christmas music, you would think it would be more creative. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you find yourself in our video, make sure to comment below. We're giving out prizes. Alternatively, if you're in the video and do not wish to be shown, we will gladly blur you out. Just let us know in the comments, and of course, timestamp will definitely help. Remember, these videos are best enjoyed with VR headsets, and if you don't have one, click on our affiliate link in the description. It will help our channel. You can also enjoy this video with natural sound by following the link in the video description. Make sure to check our channel regularly, as we will be posting at least one new video every week. There's more where that came from.